You can run free, I won't hold it against ya. You do your thing, never wanted a future. Fuck if I knew how to put it romantic. Speaking my truth, there's no need to panic. No, let's not put a label on it. Let's keep it fun. We don't put a label on it, so we can run free. Yeah, I wanna be free like you. I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi, sweet.
Hi.
How you guys doing today? So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a collab with the lovely, gorgeous, and talented Miss Too Fine. This girl right here. This is her. This is her. Yes. And in this collab, we're gonna be doing a day to night look. So I'll be doing the day look.
And I'll be doing the night.
She slayed the night. So
Thank
I'm
you,
gonna
love.
put in the description box a link to her page so you can check out this look and be sure to show her some love, guys. Alright, so if you want to see my day look, then keep on watching. So let's get into the video. So as you can already see, I've already done my face makeup, and I'm just gonna bake while I do the eye makeup. So we're gonna be doing a gray gradient smoky eye type of something like that, yeah. So I'm gonna start off with this color as my transition color, which is like a deep, it's like a brown gray. So I'm just gonna be adding this all over where I would normally put my transition color. And I already primed my eyes. I'm gonna be going in with the gray from the Kylie Bible palette.
17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. She's fine.
And then going in with a big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna make sure that these two colors are married together well. Then I'm leaving out Ole Matre One. I'm gonna go in on my lid with this NYX pencil in the color Milk. And I'm not gonna put too much because you know this thing is overpowering. And I want to make it as neat as possible because it will stain your eye, and then wherever it is, if no shadow don't catch it, it'll just stand up on your eye and that look cute. So I'm just literally putting this on my lid only. Taking this gray from the Morphe palette and putting this all over my lid. And I'm just gonna be packing it on so I get that nice brown, that nice rich color. Now this gray has a brown undertone. Now from the same Morphe palette, I'm gonna be taking a charcoal color, which is this one. It's more brown, but it still has that charcoal deep black look that I'm going for. So I'm just gonna take a tad bit and then put it in the crease and on my outer V. So now I'm gonna go in with black. Now black shadow is a little hard to work with, but don't be alarmed. We're gonna go in with a tiny brush and just smudge it into the crease. Well, the entire outer V. Right in the outer V.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I
For my transition color, I want a matte color because this entire look has been matte anyways. So I'm gonna go in with an angled brush, and I'm gonna use a color from my BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm gonna be using this one, just because I feel it will give me that natural skin tone look but still highlighting look. After adding my wing liner, I went back in with some black shadow and just deepened up the crease a bit so that it would look that much more smoky. To finish up the face, I'm just going to be removing the excess powder.
You can run free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future. Fuck if I knew how to put it romantic. Speaking my truth, there's no need to panic. No, let's not put a label on it. Let's keep it fun. We don't put a label on it, so we can run free. Yeah, I wanna be free like you. I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy. I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
So for highlight, because my eyes are grey, I didn't want to go in with the typical gold highlight that I normally use. So I'm going to use this MAC Soft and Gentle highlight that I have. And it is silver with fleck, well, it's pinkish with flecks of silver. And it's broken, so I'm going to take my time and open it. And I'm just going to apply it in the same areas that I would do my highlight. So by the name, it's very subtle, so I'm going to be building it up because Nina deal with subtle highlight. And then just to tone everything down, I'm going to go in with my blending brush. And because this is a day look, you want to look nice and dewy, so I'm going to take the same highlighter and dust it all over my face, so my face just looks like God kissed me. So for lips, to finish off the look, I'm going to be using a grey lip. And it's a greyish brownish lip, and it's from MAC. It's called Stone. So I'm just going to apply that now. So from my foil palette, from my BH Cosmetics foil palette, I'm going to add a mixture of these two greys to my inner corner and a little bit on my lid in the corner. That was a super easy, great smoky eye, right guys? I thought so. So if you're looking for a nighttime look, be sure to check out Miss Too Fine's page. And of course, as I said before, I'll link it in the description box. And guys, this is the last day of my 10 days of Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the 10 days. If you missed them still up on the page, so you can go and go check them. I'll link some of them below. Be sure to go to Miss Too Fine's page because she'll be doing 7 days of Christmas, so you guys can check out that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.